Can you say bacon wrapped chicken? Well, my dog sure can. Oh, it smells so good and it tastes so good. Is your mouth watering? It should be.